Hello everyone, welcome back. On today's video I'm gonna make this yarn wall hanging. For this I use some 3mm cotton rope and embroidery floss, and the only method that I use is doing a gathering knot. So all I did is I cut 3 pieces of the cotton rope, and then I did my gathering knot with the 3 pieces of rope all together. So let's start with the gathering knot. Just take a piece of the embroidery floss and I'm gonna make a loop at the end, as you can see, and then at the top I'm gonna leave a little piece of the embroidery floss, and then I'm gonna start wrapping all around until I reach the end of that brown embroidery floss. So this is the length that I want. So now I'm going to insert the floss through that hoop at the end, as you can see. Take the little piece that we left at the beginning and I'm gonna pull it. That way it's gonna pull through the little hoop with the embroidery floss, and it's gonna gather all in the center. That is why it's called the gathering knot. And then I just cut the excess of the embroidery hoop and voila. So I just cut 3 more pieces of the cotton rope, and then I'm going to do another gathering knot, but every time you do one, or in this case I'm doing one, I have to measure that they are the exact same length. So now I'm going to start to fringe the cotton rope on each side. So now I'm going to take a piece of cardboard. I'm going to make 2 holes, as you can see here, and then I'm going to insert a piece of rope, and that is what I'm going to use to hang it on the wall. This project you can do it bigger if you want, and you can use your color of choice. So now I'm going to use hot glue and I'm going to glue them all, trying to make sure that they are centered and they are aligned just exactly where I did the gathering knots. So now I'm going to cut all the excess of the cotton rope, and I'm gonna trim it. That way it's all symmetrical. here is the finished product. As you can see, I did like a transition in colors, so that way you can do it all the same colors or a variety of colors. So here I did pretty much the same method. I took a piece of rope and I did gathering knots from different colors, and then I glue it all around a crystal base. And here's the idea. If you want, you can go all the way to the top. So guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe, everyone.